I just went to Sephora today and I got some things from them. One of the things is the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation, and I need to tell you something. I got it in Golden Light because they didn't have at the moment the light medium. So they had the testers, but they didn't have any of them to buy. So on half of my face right now, I have the light medium, and on this side of my face, I have the golden light. And honestly, I think I like this side better. But what do you think? Please help me, if anyone can help me, which side do you like better? Because I'm thinking of actually returning this one and getting the other color instead. I haven't used this one, but I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll do a review on it. So here, this is the golden light, and it's a bit lighter than my skin tone, but the light medium was like an exact match, like seriously exact match for my skin tone, but they didn't have that one. I also got my birthday present from Sephora finally. It's like, you know, the lip glosses, the lip gloss set thing. So you open it and it comes like this in each one, and there's 4 colors. And so that's always fun. The quality is quite good, and it has a vanilla-y scent, and it's not sticky. So, you know, maybe it's something I'm just gonna put in my bag, and maybe I'll use it. I don't know. I don't use that many glosses, but I do use my lip balms. And I also got the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm so excited about this. Now I have to tell you that the Sephora I usually go to is the Udine one, and they don't have NARS in the Udine one. But I'm always at the Udine one trying stuff on, taking stuff off, and just looking around and talking to the staff. And then I ended up actually buying stuff from the other Sephora, which is in Gorizia by IKEA. And I feel kind of bad about that because, like, Sephora in Toronto, you go in, there's a lot of other people around, you can just try everything and you don't get like bothered. But in here, I feel like I'm watched like a hawk, and then they really try to like sell me stuff, and you know, a lot of the time I just want to like run away from there. And yeah, so then when I just look around and try stuff on, like they're watching me, and I just feel guilty. I don't know. And then I don't buy anything most of the time, because most of the time I'm like, really, I need to like do my research. I need to try stuff on before I buy stuff. This costs 27 euros 50. The Too Faced powder costs 32 euros and something, maybe 32.50, something like that. But I really, really wanted this, and they didn't have this in the Udine NARS. They had this in the IKEA NARS. So I ended up buying stuff at the IKEA NARS. And then when I went to pay, I should have a 20% discount, which is in my card. But I didn't get an email or anything about it, and they said they couldn't give me that discount after I already paid for all this stuff, because then I thought, oh wait, I didn't get the discount. But then at the Udine Sephora, they said I could get the discount. So I don't know. Instead of a discount, I got a Clinique bag and some like you know, a sample thing. So I got the high impact mascara to make up for not getting the discount, and the Even Better foundation tint. But I'm gonna go to the Udine Sephora and talk to them about it, and maybe see if I can exchange at the Udine Sephora this color for the other color, because I don't know, I just feel like this one's better. Even though I like my skin to look brighter, and you know, I feel like you look younger and stuff when you use like a bit of a lighter color, not a darker color. I just prefer to use a lighter color, a lighter shade than my skin. I don't know, maybe this is better. You guys. So anyways, I got the NARS concealer in the color Honey. And again, I was between the ginger and the honey. I felt like the honey was too pink on me, but I felt that the ginger was too brown for my skin. So, I don't know, it was just darker. So, in the end, I always go for the lighter one. And so, just to like, because I want more of a illumination. You know, my dark circles are horrible. It's like the worst part of my skin is the dark circles, and it's genetic. I don't know what to do. So this is supposed to be like the concealer to get. People rave about it. I'm gonna try it out for me, myself, and my severe dark circles. Severe hereditary dark circles. And this is Light Honey. Actually, I also got a sample of the Glam Glow exfoliating mask thing. So I wanna try that too. Yeah, hopefully, because I have sensitive skin, so I need to be sure that it's not gonna irritate me. And then I went to L'Erbolario, which is an Italian brand of cosmetics and perfumes and candles and body lotions, but also they have some makeup. And so I got something new. And this cost me 12 euros. It is a mini perfume from, it says Accordo Arancio, which is orange. And it has 14 milliliters because I just got a mini one. And it comes like this. It's so cute with a little bag and then a little perfume. And it smells heavenly. I'll read what it says here. It says it has notes of mandarin, bitter orange, prunes, and vanilla. Vanilla. I'm like, it's written in Italian, so I'm translating. And it smells like sweet oranges. It's amazing. So I really like that. It could be good for summer or winter because it's like, it has that vanilla in it. So it's still okay for winter, but it's like sweeter than just like a pure citrus smell. By the way, I am wearing right now this lipstick and I really like it. It seems to like, sorry, it seems to be a good color for me. This is the Too Faced La Creme Bonbon. At L'Erbolario, they gave me some samples too, some more samples of their primer, which because I like, but I wanted to test out the one for, like I tried the one for dry skin and I really like that, but I also wanted to test out the one for the combination skin. So I'm gonna test that out and see which one I prefer. So yeah, and so they gave me a little sacket of creams, body lotions, and sorry, I forgot English. No, bath washes from L'Erbolario. And so I got the Camellia one, which is like a sweet, florally scent and very light instead of like jasmine, which is very strong. It's like a very light, sweet, similar to roses, I think, like a lighter rose though. And some of the Arancio, more of the perfume sample, but the Arancio cream and body wash. The Arancio and the Camellia are the two newest lines from L'Erbolario. I was speaking Italian a lot today, and so when I changed to English, and I'm like, it's my native language, but I start to get confused. Like languages, like Japanese, English, and Italian are just kind of mixed up in my head. I'm confused. I'm a very confused girl. Don't know what to do. I'm rambling on and not sure what to do because I'm supposed to have a 20% discount and I didn't, so I paid full price for these products, and I'm waiting to see and try the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm really excited about that. I've just read about it on the website and in the US, and so it hasn't come to Italy yet, and I'm waiting for that, and I really want to try it because it sounds like it would be perfect for me. The L'Erbolario is so far the best primer that I found. That is my haul. Now you can see me outside, but it's dark, it's night. And this is the side with the light medium, and this is the side with the golden light. I don't know. Now I'm at home, so this is light medium and this is golden light. 4 hours later, and so light medium on this side and golden light on this side. So do you see a difference? I don't know, guys. I don't know, maybe it's the same, which is quite disturbing because there were two different colors. Like I distinctly put two different colors on my face and they weren't that close. Like in the pan, you could tell like one was more yellow and darker and one was a lot lighter, and I thought, oh, that's gonna be too fair for my skin. But yeah, so now that I'm at home and it's been like 4 hours later, you can't tell the difference at all. What I can tell you is that it's not a full coverage. I used a stippling brush. Like I actually used the Bare Minerals when I was testing it, and I put half on this side face, half on the other, and I put it on, you know, I packed it on. But yeah, with that, it's just a very light coverage. So I guess you'd have to use a sponge, but I don't believe that you're going to get full coverage from this, but we'll see. Yeah, in this light, maybe I do like this side better. So it just, I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.